Welcome to epictalesuniverse, where stories from the mists of time come alive. Today, we journey into the story of Lemuria, a realm enveloped in mystery, said to have existed in a time long before our recorded history began. Known by many names across cultures, Lemuria is often depicted as a lush and expansive continent that once bridged vast oceanic realms, now said to lie beneath the waves. The tale of Lemuria is more than just a story of land and sea. It is a story of wisdom, connection, and a civilization whose essence whispers to us across the centuries. The Lemurians, as the legends describe, were beings of extraordinary harmony and deep spiritual connection. They are said to have lived in perfect balance with nature, understanding and resonating with the energies of the earth and the cosmos. Their world was one of profound peace, where communication was not solely through spoken words but through thoughts, emotions, and an unspoken bond that connected them to each other and to the world around them. Some accounts even tell of Lemurians possessing abilities akin to telepathy, with senses attuned to the subtleties of the environment and the heartbeat of the earth itself. Their knowledge extended beyond what we might consider advanced for their time. It was a wisdom that intertwined the metaphysical and the practical. Lemurians were believed to be masters of holistic healing, using energies, crystals, and natural elements to maintain balance within their community. Theirs was a world where art, song, and the pursuit of inner truth flourished, fostering a society rooted in compassion and respect for all living things. Stories say that Lemurians cherished a belief that life was interconnected, that each being held a piece of universal truth. This guiding principle shaped their existence, inspiring reverence not just for their fellow beings but for the planet as a whole. The forests, mountains, and oceans were considered sacred, each carrying its own voice and spirit that the Lemurians listened to and honored. However, as with many tales of lost civilizations, the story of Lemuria carries with it the shadows of loss and transformation. Some believe that Lemuria met its fate through a series of cataclysmic events, natural upheavals that reshaped the Earth's surface. Massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and rising seas are said to have gradually engulfed the continent, sending its splendor beneath the waves. Yet, even as Lemuria slipped beneath the oceans, the spirit and teachings of its people are thought to have lived on, carried by those who survived and migrated to other lands. Many spiritual seekers and mystics believe that traces of Lemurian wisdom remain hidden within the human consciousness, waiting to be rediscovered. This ancient knowledge is said to emerge in moments of deep meditation, intuition, and connection with nature. Some say that it is found in the call of the sea, the stillness of a forest, or the warmth of a sunrise, gentle reminders of a civilization that once embodied profound harmony and love for the earth. Whether Lemuria was a true physical place or a metaphorical reminder of a golden age, its story beckons us to consider what we might learn from such a tale. It invites us to remember the importance of unity, balance, and living in tune with the world around us, encouraging us to be guardians of the earth and seekers of wisdom that transcends time. Thank you for journeying with us into the tale of Lemuria. If this story touched your heart or sparked your curiosity, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to Epic Tales Universe. Join us again as we uncover more stories that bridge the past and the present, drawing us closer to the timeless truths that shape our world. Your support means the world to us.